In this video, we're going to tell you all about a great special buy that Home Depot has going on right now on this Dewalt drill driver. And what makes it so special is, the price, but also the fact that it has a 5 amp hour battery with it, which most Dewalt kits usually don't come with. They often come with a 2 amp hour battery. So you're getting quite a deal on this. So hi everybody, my name is Jeff, and welcome back to the carbuyingtipscom channel, where since 1999 our team of consumer advocates has been both educating and protecting you, the American car buying public, in all areas of buying new cars, used cars, and leasing, and we of course warn you about all of the car dealer scams. And as you know, we also do videos of all sorts of product reviews here, like mats and stuff like that for your cars and trucks, and we do all sorts of car repair videos to help you along, and useful videos to make your life easier. And we also do tool review videos from time to time. And so since one of our partners here at carbuyingtipscom bought this toolkit the other day at Home Depot, he said, man, we got to let the world know about this because of the great deal that it's packaged with this 5 amp hour battery, and that it's also on sale for $70 off the normal price here at Home Depot. All right, so here is the Dewalt brushless cordless drill driver kit on the Home Depot website. Now, down in the video description below, we will put for you affiliate links that will take you directly there. This way you can go right to it and you won't have to worry about not being able to find it. Now, as you can see here on the screen, Home Depot has this tagged as a special buy. And so what they've done right now is they've taken $70 or 35% off of the $199 price that they normally sell this kit for. But one other thing to point out here, you can see right here, if you look at the battery, let's take a close-up look here. This battery is a 5 amp hour battery. And normally in the kits, you don't usually get a 5 amp hour battery. You usually get a 2 amp hour battery here. And as you can see, if you look here, the ways you can get it, you can pick it up in the store. So that means you can buy it online right now and then get a confirmation and go down and pick it up at the store. And we do this a lot too. They'll even bring it out to you, to the car. And you can also have it shipped to your home as well. So there's a couple of different ways you can order this kit. Okay, now as we scroll down here to see what all's in here, the first thing you'll note here is that the model of the drill that's in here is the DCD 791. And this here is a drill driver. It's not a hammer drill. It is still a cordless, brushless, and all that. You do have a brushless motor in here. Now, this is one model down from the one I own, which is the DCD 996. That one is a hammer drill. You probably won't need a hammer drill. That's for people that do a lot of drilling into concrete. So the hammer drill just makes it easier. You can still drill into concrete with this drill driver here. It's just going to be a little bit harder, and you do still need to use concrete bits if you're going to do that. Okay, and then it confirms for you on here that because you have the brushless motor, you're getting actually 50% more runtime than if you were to have a regular brushed motor. So these are things you need to keep in mind. I always tell people, look, if you're going to buy a drill, make sure you're buying a brushless drill. And the reason why you want a brushless drill like this one is the drill motor will not heat up as much. There's not as much friction because they don't have the commutators like they do in the regular brushed motors. And so there's less heat, and so it draws less power from the battery. It doesn't quite need as much. It doesn't waste as much energy. So you get more lifetime out of your batteries when you use a brushless motor. Now, let's take a look at our RPMs. So if there's 2 speeds on this particular drill, and the first speed you can get 550 RPMs, as you can see right here on the low setting, and then on the high setting you can get 2000 RPMs. Now there's another really good reason to buy this, and I'll show you in a minute as this evolves here, but see this 5 amp hour battery here? Let's go take a look at the Dewalt 5 amp hour batteries. You can see the battery on its own is $119. So for $10 more than you would pay to get a $119 battery here, you're getting the drill, and you're getting the charger, and you're also getting the carrying case. Now this one's on sale here at Home Depot. Normally these 5 amp hour batteries go for $149 there. So you're really getting a deal. And even then, if you were going to buy a 5 amp hour battery, why not just spend a little bit more and get two 6.0 batteries here for $169? So these are the kind of trade-offs you always want to analyze before you buy the kits. Also, we like to bounce these prices off of other sites to make sure we're getting a good deal here first. So let's try it out. Here is the same kit on Amazon. And when you do see all buying options, well, somebody has one used for $130, but you can see all of the starting prices here are starting in the $200 range. So it looks like for now, this sale that Home Depot's been running since last week is far and away better than what you see here on Amazon for now. And then when we try to bounce it off of Lowe's, the closest we come is they have a very similar kit. But instead of the 5 amp hour battery, this kit has two of the smaller batteries in a small hard plastic kit case instead of the contractor's bag. Now, one thing here about these batteries is we can't even tell what size those are. I can sort of tell by looking. These look like the 1.5 amp hour batteries. Apparently, Lowe's is too embarrassed to tell you, because we looked all over the ad here and they won't even tell you. They just mentioned the word battery and two batteries, and they won't tell you what size they are. They're probably too embarrassed. So these are 1.5 amp hour batteries, so I think you're better off getting the kit that has the 5 amp hour batteries anyway. Okay, now let's see where you find it in the store, because in some stores it can be kind of tricky. So you will find the kit right here, usually on an end stack here inside the store. And here it is, as you can see, right there. And this kit has the 5 amp hour battery, and of course, as you know, most of the kits don't come with a 5 amp hour battery. Sometimes they're the 2 amp hour. So you might see it here on a floor stack on an end cap. Somewhere up near the front of the store by your tool section. Okay, now ironically in this store, it's supposed to be right here. It's the 791, the DCD 791 drill driver. But here you can see, this is where it goes here. And you can see they're showing it there with the 5 amp hour battery. And there it was $199 before, and it's now down $70. And then this right here is the companion kit to that. So this one has the DCF 887. Now again, if you're looking for just another single tool to get, this is the companion kit. This is the impact driver version of this same kit. $129 with the 5 amp hour battery right here. And this is the Dewalt DCF 887 impact driver. Hey, remember, we'll put all these links down below for you. And here it is on the shelf, the DCF 887. You can see it's got the tri-LEDs, which is really nice. A lot of tools today still don't have that yet. And there's the side profile of it. Now, they don't have a sign here on the shelf, so as you've probably noticed in the hardware stores, a lot of stuff is thinning out lately. So I don't know if they're doing a major reset here or not of the DeWalt section. Okay, now supposing you don't want to buy just the one drill driver kit. Supposing you want two tools in the kit, like the driver impact. Well, this one here is a hammer drill impact, so that's even better. They're both brushless. And this one has the DCD 796 hammer drill, and it also has the DCF 887 impact driver. This is their top of the line impact driver. We own this driver. This particular hammer drill is one model below the top of the line that we own also. So this is a pretty decent deal to get these two here in the kit, along with two batteries right there and the charger. And there's one more thing about this too. So when we put this in the link below for you to go check out for yourself, there's the kit there. So this, along with all of these tools here, and along with these other DeWalt tools on this side, are part of DeWalt's Buy More, Save More program. So you bought that for $300, and if you're willing to throw $200 more into the shopping cart there, like with this light right here, they're going to take $175 off. So that's a pretty decent deal if you're willing to buy a few items here. For example, you could buy that kit and maybe this jigsaw for $200. So now you're pretty much right at that level also, the $500 level that you need for them to take the maximum off. See, there's your savings right there. See? So if you can spend $500 on Dewalt, they'll give you $175 off. That's the deal you want to shoot for if you're going to be buying a couple of different tools. So we've already played around online, and we've discovered that, like, when we put this tripod light in there in the shopping cart, and we put this work light over here in the shopping cart as well, and a few other items to get up to about $500, this tripod light drops down to $149, and then this $99 work light right here drops down to $69 from the normal $99 that you see it here. And this is a pretty decent light, so this will run off most of your Dewalt batteries with no problem. Well, we just wanted to give you this good quick update on these tool deals here at Home Depot. And if you're finding this video useful so far, hey, would you do us a favor? Please give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you are not subscribed yet to the carbuyingtipscom channel, man, make sure you are. You don't want to miss out any of our useful videos. So that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all on the next one.